Welcome again. In today's video, we will discuss about cubes and dices. So let us start with the first question. Now in this question, if you see, they have given us various combinations, and then they want us to find in the given figure what will be A and B. Now for this, the basic rule is that if only one term, let's say these are the two dice positions. Now in this, if only one term is common, for example here only 2 is common, then we write the combinations in clockwise manner or anti-clockwise in any cyclic manner. For example, for this we'll write 2, 3, 4 and then 2, 1, 6. So this will be the combination. However, if two numbers are common, if two numbers happen to be common, then the other two numbers would be directly opposite to each other. That is what we know. So based on that, let's try to answer this question. They are asking which of the following possible numbers can exist on two faces marked as A and B. So if we just go through the combinations, see we have 1, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. So based on this I can write from the first one, see from this and this I can write 1, 4, 6. Then I can write from this combination I can write 1, 3, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 would come here. Okay, so this is something I know. So from this what I know is that 1 and 5 are opposite to each other. So definitely 1 cannot be adjacent to 5. So any option which has 1, you just strike that out and you get the answer. So the answer would be option A, 2 and 3. Let's go to the next question. See, it says each of the following different faces of a cube have been coated with different colors. So these are the colors that have been given. So let us start based on that. Now see, in the first we have YOB, and if you see Y and B are common here. So if I write YOB, so what it means is O and G are opposite to each other. O and G are opposite to each other. Can you see? From this combination itself, we get the first answer. So which is the color opposite to face colored with O? It will be G. The answer is G. Next question. See, a small cube has all its faces painted with different colors. So let's say there are 6 different colors covering all the faces. It is cut into smaller cubes of equal size such that the side of the small cube is 1/4. So what it means is, this is how it has been cut. And so total number of small cubes will be 4 cubes. Anyways, so what we know from here is n in our formula is 4. The number of small cubes having only one of the sides painted, only one side painted. Now, of course here, see, in the class we have discussed how to remember this, but this is something you have to remember. So they're asking if you see only one of the sides. So formula for one side is 6 into n minus 2 whole square. So that would be 6 into n we know is 4, right? So 6 into n minus 2 the whole square. So 6 into 4 minus 2 the whole square, which is what? 6 into 2 square, or 6 into 4, or 24. So the answer would be 24. Option B. Next question. The outer surface of a 4x4x4 cube is painted completely in red. It is sliced parallel to the faces to yield 64. 4 cube will give us 64 cubes. How many small cubes do not have a painted face? Again, let's refer to the formulas. See the first one, number of cubes having 0 painted face is n minus 2 whole cube. So just write down n minus 2 whole cube. Now here n is 4, so it will be 4 minus 2 whole cube, which is what? 2 cube, which is what? 8. So the answer is 8. Next question. See here, they have given different combinations. Again, we'll use the same rule that we have seen earlier. So they're asking, there are three questions that follow. Let us try to make this dice. Now, this is, let us just identify the number. See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and line and cross. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, line and cross. These are the 6 numbers. Now, see here, if you see the first one and the third one, there is only one term which is common. So I can write line, let me call it line, then 2, then 1, then here it is line and 4 and 3. Of course, opposite to this, opposite to line will get cross. So this is the combination. Now the question is, which is the symbol on the face opposite to that containing a single dot? So it would be 3. Then they're asking opposite to 2 dots, that would be 4. Then they're asking opposite, third question is opposite to the cross. If you see here, opposite to cross will be line, so it would be line. So these 3 questions are answered. Then next question, a solid cube of 3 cm side is painted on all its faces and cut into 1 cm cubes. Okay, how many small cubes will have 2 painted faces? See, 2 painted faces are the faces which lie, if let's say this is my cube, 2 fronts which lie on the edges, right? And there are 12 edges. So the answer, the formula is 12 into n minus 2 whole n minus 2. But see here, with 2 side painted, it is 12 into n minus 2. So the formula is 12 into n minus 2, which is what? 12 into, in this case, n is 3, 3 minus 2, which is what? 12 into 1. So the answer is 12. You see, just remembering simple 3 to 4 formulas and 2 basic rules, we can answer all these questions easily. Then next, a solid cube is painted yellow, blue and black such that opposite faces are of the same color. Okay? The cube is then cut into 36 pieces, 36 cubes of different size, such that 32 cubes are small and 4 cubes are big. This is a slightly tricky question. None of the faces of the bigger cube is painted blue. So let's say I am making this cube. Now observe, I am making this surface as blue, the other surface, and this surface. So what it means is that the bigger cubes will be somewhere in the center. The bigger cubes will be somewhere in the center. So it would be something like, let's say I'm making this line. That means this part will be the, if these 2 sides are blue, then my bigger cubes, 4 bigger cubes will come here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is how my 4 small cubes will come. Okay. So, and other cubes will be on the side. Now they're asking how many cubes will have only one face painted. For one face, see, we know it is in the center. Let us refer the formula again. See here. For 1, it is 6 into n minus 2 whole square. Basically, if this is n and this other side is n, it is n square, n minus 2 square. Now, but in this particular case, this side will not be there. This will not be there. So instead of having on the 6 faces, we will have it on the 2 faces. That is the catch here. So for this, we'll get 2 into n minus 2 the whole square, which is what? 2 into, see, 36 means this whole thing has been cut into 4 let's say parts. So this will be 2 into 4 minus 2 the whole square, or 2 into 2 square, which was 4 into 2, 8. So the answer is 8. This question is tricky. 44th question. Each face of a cube can be painted in black or white colors. In how many different ways can a cube be painted? If you get this question, do not try this in the first attempt. It is slightly tricky and requires you to, it's not basically a permutation combination question, but more of what combinations of cubes can you draw in your head. So let's say I have black and white. See, one combination will be all 6 and 0, and there'll be one such combination. 5 and 1, again one such combination. 4 and 2. What this means is that 4 sides, let's say if this is my cube, so 4 sides are black and let's say 2 sides are white. There are two combinations here. See, this can be white, these two adjacent can be white, or opposite, white and white, opposite can be white. That is the two possible combination. So that is why over here we'll get two possible combinations. Similarly for 3 and 3, we'll get two possible combinations. Again it will be 2, 4, two possible combinations. 1 and 5, one combination. 0 and 6, one combinations. We'll get a total of 10 possible combinations. So the answer for this is 10. So I hope this was helpful. All the best, guys.